Welcome to the Fabric Capacity Metrics Automation, a streamlined solution for tracking and managing capacity usage efficiently using Power BI and automation tools. Every hour, a scheduled cloud flow is triggered either automatically or via an email alert when capacity is between 70% and 100%. It then launches a desktop flow to check the current capacity unit, or CU, usage. If CU usage is below 70%, the process ends and waits for the next cycle. But if it's at or above 70%, the bot logs into Power BI, selects the workspace, refreshes the Fabric Capacity Metrics dataset, and accesses the relevant reports. Screenshots of the reports are taken with CU usage clearly highlighted. These results are logged in an online Excel file. Usage under 70% is marked in yellow, and 70% or more in red. The file is renamed with a timestamp and uploaded to SharePoint for record keeping. Reports and visuals are also shared in the respective support team's channel, tagging key stakeholders. Finally, whether triggered by schedule or email, a ticket is created for appropriate action. This automation ensures that teams stay informed and can act swiftly to maintain smooth system performance.